I know this is so random, but I hate having the hiccups because I always get them at the worst time, mostly in my silent 3 period. A silent classroom where everyone can literally hear. I never ask for these hiccups. And it doesn't matter how much water I drink, they don't even go away. Like, they literally last hours. And they're so painful. I just don't understand why I get them so much. My grandma used to always tell me that when I get the hiccups, it means that I'm growing, that I haven't grown a single inch since 5th grade. And my teacher always asks me, "Do you need some water?" Like, dude, what's the point? They're not going to go, owie. Anyways, Angel out.